Okay, I've determined the cause of the chattering, the noise that we were receiving from these relays. This is the relay that releases the ball. This is the stepping relay. It's a stepping relay. As it gets pulsed, it turns the gear underneath, which turns the switch underneath the radio, which connects all the lights and rotates through the various tuning circuits. This relay, the first 4 pulses or so would operate fine, and then it would start stuttering and just not engage completely, and that's what was giving all that noise. Now the cause of that, I wasn't sure what was causing it at first. It could have been something to do with the pulsing. Maybe the pulses were too short. It wasn't given time enough to engage, or some other electrical mechanical problem. But one thing I looked at was, when I looked at the schematic, I noticed there was one electrolytic here that had not been replaced. It's the only one that at any point in time have not been replaced, and it's involved in the thyratron circuit with the relays. So I thought I'd give it a try and see if maybe that had something to do with it. I didn't have the value. It's a 16 microfarad, so I kind of Mickey Moused a couple, a 30 and a 33 together, which gave me about a 17. And put that in, and it worked really well. I'll show you in a second. Okay, the sound that you hear right now is the circuit reacting to extraneous noise. It's working better than it used to. And so I'm going to have to turn down the selectivity control eventually. But I wanted to show you, as you see the switch here, the selector switch. I'm going to turn the mystery control. And now you can hear the relay, no grinding. And the switch is acting normally. Moving to different positions as I turn this dial. If I could show you the lights are rotating. They're coming on and off as they should. My next project is to start tuning these guys and try to tune in some stations to correspond to the different settings of the dial here. So that will be the next project, aside from turning down that selectivity control. Alright, here's another shot of the operation. You can see the lights changing as I turn this. I can also control the volume. I can turn the volume up through here, and I can turn it down and turn this set off. Oops. Like that. Neat, huh?